Mercedes Yuri C. with honors.
And also to the proud parent. For the pledge of loyalty, may I invite another exemplary and honor student, a true model of commitment, leadership, and integrity. May I call on Megan Joy and Bildad with honors. A round of applause, please.
Please rise. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me as we recite our pledge of loyalty. We, the members of the graduating class of 2025-2026, pledge our loyalty to our teachers, our parents, and to our alma mater. We pledge to carry on the torch of education and to realize our capabilities in the world of work which we are entering. We pledge to be true to Filipino traditions, ideals of our heroes. We pledge to make democracy safe and strong with the guidance of God, above and under the protection of our country's flag.
Thank you. Okay lang. Bongga. Atak sa mga parents.